This modern-shaped house is filled with greenery and freshness through various gardens within its interior. The garden house was designed in 2017 by the CONNATURAL architecture team and is located in Medellin, Colombia. This rather massive and monolithic house is comprised of concrete walls, wooden floors, and beautiful gardens around it. For the conception of the house, an enclosure of a central patio, a kind of terrace, is used, surrounded by the domestic program. Common areas, studies, and bedrooms are determined by the idea of nature inscribed in the patio. Large windows are strategically placed to maximize sunlight, creating a play of shadows inside. The modern home garden, cut grass lawns, foreign flowers and plants, and overuse of fertilizers, is detrimental to the natural landscapes of areas that used to have flourishing native flora and insects. Native pollinators in regional areas have less options, and the fertilizers, pesticides used to help non-native plants grow create runoff and pollute the environment. Foreign plants also take more effort to grow and run the risk of introducing invasive species into the region. CONNATURAL aims to change the mindset of homeowners by filling their gardens with plants and flowers that actually belong in the area that they live in. These native plants will grow better and will support the local wildlife and pollinators. The house is distributed across multiple levels, so it's not uncommon to find wide stairs going up and down, connecting the rooms and creating divisions between spaces. A pool extends from the covered patio of the house to the outside, completely surrounded by thick, natural vegetation that protects it, providing a generous touch of privacy and freshness. Several walkways with sweeping views of the surrounding greenery connect one space to another. The perimeter of the house, in turn, is formed by native gardens composing the rhythm that structures the space. The garden house brings us closer to an idea of domestic life, where the boundary between culture and nature is dissolved.